मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, लेने तुझे ओ गोरी आएंगे तेरे सजना। मेहंदी लगा।
Momentum equation, impact of jets. Introduction. If the fluid is moving with high velocity, then it is called jet. Generally, nozzle is used to increase the kinetic energy of fluid. The study of force resulting from the impact of fluid jet and when fluids are diverted from pipe bands involve the application of Newton's second law in the form of F equals ma. Then, the forces are determined by calculating the change of momentum of the flowing fluids. In nature, these forces manifest themselves in the form of wind force and the impact force of the sea on the harbour walls. Next, the operation of hydrokinetic machines such as turbine depends on force developed through changing the momentum of flowing fluids. Last, the impulse momentum principle is used to calculate the hydrodynamic force of jet on the vane. This principle is derived from the Newton's second law of motion.
As the force acting on a body in a fixed direction is equal to rate of increase of momentum of the body in that direction. Force and momentum are vector quantities, so the direction is important. A fluid is essentially a collection of particles and the net force in a fixed direction on a defined quantity of fluid equal the total rate of momentum that fluid quantity in that direction. The rate of change of momentum of a moving body is directly proportional to the magnitude of the applied force and takes place in the direction of the applied force. SI unit of force is Newton.
Momentum, the capacity of a moving body to impart motion to other body is called momentum. The momentum of a moving body is given by the product of mass and velocity of the moving body. Formula is momentum is mass multiplied velocity. SI unit is kg m over s.
Impulsive force and impulsive of force. A force acting over a short interval of time on a body is called impulsive force. Example, kick given to a football. Impulse of a force is given by the product of magnitude of force and its time of action. Impulse of a force equal force multiplied to time interval and the SI unit n per second.
For any problem involving FVT, the impulse momentum equation may be used for any problem involving the variable force, velocity, and time. The IM equation is not directly helpful for determining acceleration for displacement. Helpful for impulse force. The IM equation is most helpful for problem involving impulse force. Application of impulse momentum principle. The following are application of impulse momentum principle. 1. To calculate the hydrodynamic force on stationary and moving vanes. 2. To calculate resultant force on pipe band.
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना।